Student. Today we are starting differential equation chapter 20. The differential equation, an equation involving an independent variable, dependent variable and derivative of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called differential equation. ओके अब इसमें जो आपको पढ़ना है वो है द ऑर्डर ऑफ द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर ऑफ द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन? इफ there is any differential equation is given to you, then we have to find the power of the derivative. It is called order. dy upon dx have only one order, then it is called a differential equation of order 1. Now order of the highest derivative, d2y upon dx square plus 5 dy upon dx plus 6y equal to e to the power x is 2 because d2y upon dx square is second order derivative. इसमें हम लोग जो सेकेंड ऑर्डर या थर्ड ऑर्डर की डेरिवेटिव होती है उसको काउंट करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, नाउ what is the degree of the differential equation? The degree of the differential equation is the degree of power of the highest order differential coefficient appearing on it. Like if d2y upon dx square minus 2 dy upon dx plus 1, then the order of the differential equation is 1 because it have only one power. But in this question there is 2 power 5, but we are taking the highest power of the highest degree. Highest order of derivative is gives the highest degree. d3y upon dx cube is the order is 3, it is the order 3 and power 2, so the degree is 2. Is find the differential equation corresponding to the primitive x is equal to a sin y plus b. Firstly we have to differentiate with respect to it, we get dy upon dx, and now again d2y upon dx square, first into second, second into first, we have to find the value of this, then we have to solve these questions and get this is the value. So differential equation correspond to this equation is this. The next part, solution of the differential equation of type dy upon dx is equal to fx and dy upon dx is equal to fy. Now we have to firstly we have to differential equation dy upon dx is equal to fx, integrated both side, and we get y is equal to integration of fx dx, same as it is dy upon dx is equal to fy. Firstly we have to reverse dx upon dy and cross multiply, we get dx is equal to 1 upon y dy integration of c, then dx is x integration of 1 upon y dy. This is the your method to find the question in this type. Then how do we have to find the question? Let us start. The question is solve dy upon dx is equal to tan square x. Firstly we have to integrated both side dy upon dx and tan square x. Now integrate it, we get tan x minus x c. This is the dx, dy upon dx करेंगे तो हमारे पास यहाँ y is equal to ये आ जाएगा. Now same as it is, firstly we have to differentiate dy upon dx is equal to e to the power x, and we have to integrate both sides dy upon dx and e to the power x dx, we get y is equal to e to the power x. Now next part is solution of differential equation in variable separable form. If we have like that fx dx and phi y dy, means if it is possible to write the differential equation by transportation of the term by in the form of, इस तरीके से हम dx के साथ fx लेंगे और dy के साथ phi y लेंगे, फिर दोनों का हम क्या कर देते हैं इंटीग्रेशन कर देंगे और इंटीग्रेशन करने के बाद क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर लिया जाएगा. हाउ इट इज़ पॉसिबल? Let us see the questions. This is the x to the power 5 dy upon dx is equal to y to the power minus 5. Then we have to separate the equation like that. Then dx comes to 1 upon and dy comes to 1 upon y to the power 5 and 1 upon x to the power 5. Both integrated both sides, we have to get this value. Is it okay? Now next question is y to the power e to the power y plus 1 cos x dx plus e to the power y sin x dy. Integrated it, separate the differentiation both side, we get dx is equal to cos x upon x and minus e to the power y and e to the power y upon plus 1 dy. Integrated both side, now we get log sin x and e to the power y log e to the power y 1 and log c. Now simplify both side, लॉग हट जाएंगे और ये आंसर हमारे पास आ जाएगा. तो ये होता है वेरिएबल सेपरेबल, यानी कि हम लोग क्या करते हैं डी वाई बाई डी एक्स और डी वाई के टर्म को अलग अलग यूज़ करके फिर उनका हम इंटीग्रेशन कर देते हैं. देन वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ. नाउ होमोजीनियस फंक्शन, अ फंक्शन एफ एक्स वाई इन एक्स एंड वाई इज सेड टू बी homogeneous function of degree n if the degree of each term is an example f x y x and y. We have seen that the power of both x y and xy are same is the homogeneous function of degree 2, same as it is g x y x to the power 3 minus 3xy square plus 3x square y plus y cube is also a function of degree 3, homogeneous function. So in general, a homogeneous function of degree n is expressible as xy x to the power n f y upon x. Now solving for the method of the homogeneous differential equation, firstly if any function is given, it is the homogeneous differential equation, we put y is equal to vx and dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv upon dx in the given equation. Then we have to find the value of this. Now at last we have to integrate both sides, then solve the equation, we get the solution. How it is questions, how is the question is come in your board. So I will give in the solution, I will telling you the solution. Okay, now this is your question, x cube plus y cube dy minus x square y dx is equal to 0. Firstly we have to change dy upon dx is equal to x square y upon x cube plus y cube. Now putting the value of y vx and dy upon in the place of y and dy by dx, this putting these values in this equation first. Now we get the value of this. Now integrated both sides with variable separable dv and dx. Now integrate these equation and this we get log x. इन दोनों को अलग अलग करेंगे तो इस तरीके से मिल जाएगा और वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ लॉग एक्स. दिस इज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ द फाइंड द वैल्यूज. वी हैव द solution in this and this is the proper solution of this equation. This is called homogeneous equation. Now the second question is same as it is like that. We have to simplify 2xy is in the upon of the x square of 3xy dy upon dx, we get this. Now again putting the value, the y is equal to vx and v plus x dv upon dx dy upon dx, putting all the value in this equation and simplify it properly, then we get the value of 1 plus v square upon 2y and variable separable dv 2v upon 1 plus v square and dx upon x, integrated both sides, we get this is the value, and putting the value of v from the equation this, यहाँ से हम लोग v की इक्वेशन निकलेंगे तो y अपॉन x के फॉर्म में आएगा और यहाँ y के फॉर्म में रख के और ये आंसर फाइंड आउट कर लिया जाएगा. So this is called homogeneous equation. Now the next part is linear differential equation. Okay, the linear differential equation, we have the most general form of the linear differential equation is dy upon dx plus py equal to q, where p is the constant and q is constant or a function of x. So this is the type, and how to solve it. Solution of dy upon dx plus py plus q equal to q. Firstly, we find the e to the power integration of p dx, which is known as integrating factor, that is if. जब if मिल जाएगा तो अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, if मिलने के बाद सीधे हम लोग डायरेक्ट मेथड एक लगा देंगे. वो मेथड ये है, बाकी तो क्वेश्चन से भी क्लियर हो जाएगा. वर्किंग और रूल ऑफ द, सबसे पहले हम लोग ये निकालेंगे इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर, और इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर में इस तरीके से y इंटू आई एफ इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ क्यूब इंटू आई एफ डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू प्लस सी. इज इट ओके? देन नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज solve 1 plus x square dy upon dx plus y equal to tan inverse x. Firstly, we have to arrange in the form of dy upon dx plus py equal to q. What is the p? P is the 1 upon 1 plus x square, q is equal to tan inverse this. इंटीग्रेटिंग फंक्शन निकालने के लिए, इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर निकालने के लिए e to the power इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ p dx. This is the p, putting the value of p and find the dx. Tan inverse e to the power tan inverse x, and the now y into if. if यहाँ पर रखेंगे, q into if रख देंगे और ये वैल्यू आ जाएगी. ठीक, फिर उसके बाद नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज tan इनवर्स x को t हम पुट कर लेंगे, dx हमारे पास निकल आएगा, और उसके बाद दिस इज़ द पार्ट t इंटू ई टू द पावर t. नाउ इंटीग्रेट इट बाय पार्ट, इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट रूल अप्लाई करेंगे. फर्स्ट इंटू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ सेकेंड डिफरेंशिएशन माइनस डिफरेंशिएशन इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ सेकेंड होल का इंटीग्रेशन, ये हमें मिल जाएगा. इसको हम सिंप्लीफाई कर लेंगे और ये पूरा हमारे पास रिजल्ट आ जाएगा. इसको थोड़ा सा और वैल्यूफाई करेंगे, t की जगह वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे और ये हमारे पास वैल्यू आ जाएगा. ओके, same as it is. Firstly, we have to write the equation and now compare with dy by dx plus py plus equal to q. Then p is 2 and q is this. Firstly, we have to integrated this to e and putting the value of in the formula. Then we have to get the value of this. So we have to integrate these equation and find the value of this. This is our solution. The form is this. So this is the type of the linear differential equation. Same time is applies in all the questions. What is the same type? Firstly, we have to find integrated function and putting in this equation, then solve the equation. That's all. Okay.